My name's Chef Ronan. So watch your cup, and today we're gonna make mini cakes.
Cool. So go right ahead.
So what we need is 4 teaspoons of flour.
4 teaspoons of flour.
Put it in there.
It's already been measured. So go ahead and pour it in.
1,
No. Just the whole thing.
Everything in.
Everything.
2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5.
And next.
Next, listen.
What is this? Cocoa.
Hot cocoa powder.
Cocoa
Yes.
powder.
Yeah, because I got to put
We
in
need this 2
2
tablespoons.
tablespoons of hot cocoa powder.
Here you go. Pour it in.
That's 1.
I'm gonna put this.
You're going to use that to stir, so hold on to it.
Here you go. 2.
And next we're gonna have
3 tablespoons of sugar.
yeah.
Sugar.
Yes, please. I'm the fun and make a fun with me. I'm
Right here.
because I'm here. I can make here. Making the water face, making alright. Making with the sweetness in the eye.
Sugar. Here, pour it out.
Mommy, how many tablespoons do we need for it?
All of them.
What?
All of it, put it in. Do you need a little bigger bowl? I give you this bigger bowl if you want.
Yep.
Here. You can take and pour it in there and make it easier for yourself. Pour it in.
Okay.
Pour it all in. You got the big bowl. All right.
And now we need
Peel.
Pure vanilla.
Peel vanilla.
The best.
That is my favorite.
Yes.
But we kind of don't use it on food.
You only use it for
Too
cooking.
But
It's
not
very
for-
strong. It's super strong.
So this will be
The cake, a mini cake.
1 of 4.
4.
You want me help?
You gotta help with that.
Go.
Now I can stir it.
And we need 3 tablespoons of oil.
I can do that easily. I can
The
do
oil, extra virgin, or
Yeah.
olive oil, just not extra virgin.
Hold this.
Hold that. You're gonna be pouring it in.
me.
Yeah, hold it still. Don't pour it in until mommy says so. Pour it in. 1. 2. Keep going. 3.
Hold that.
And now milk.
Yep, 3 tablespoons of milk.
Yeah.
Pour it out. 1.
Oh no, it makes a big mess.
It's okay.
Clean it up.
There you go.
There you go. 3.
All right, pour it in. Pour it in all the way. There you go.
Now to mix it.
Not yet.
And now we need baking soda.
Baking soda. Just baking soda.
Yep.
Make sure it's for the cooking one, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, and make sure it's not for the eating one.
This
No,
is cooking is
it's
for eating,
the
so yeah.
one. So we need this. 1 out of 4.
1 or 4. My preschool used this.
Yeah, to make cyan, right?
Yeah, volcanoes, right?
Yeah.
Here, pour it in. Like this. And now stir. Let me get this to you.
Okay, I
Put
gotta
the spoon on the. Oh, mommy, I'll help you.
Flip it.
hold the bowl with one hand while you stir with the other. Makes it a lot easier, yes. More control.
Ooh.
Ooh, let's take a look and see.
It's melt. Look at this.
Looks all melty, yeah.
Daddy, can you go get Hershey bar?
Yeah, of course.
I think, Mommy.
Nice. Mix it together.
I want to get a taste test. It's okay, I can get a taste of it.
No, not until it's ready. You don't want to taste raw cake.
This raw cake.
You gotta keep stirring the corners. You gotta get all the corners so you get all the dough and mix it up nice and moist.
Mommy, it's okay, I can see it now.
Yeah, finish up. Stir it really hard.
I want to make a bakery.
You are a baker.
I wish I could make this house to a baking, so everybody can get all
bake.
these.
We can bake. That's
Like some people don't bake.
some people don't bake, some people do, and you're baking right now, Chef Ronan.
And then we're gonna add the chocolate.
I love that. It's
Your
okay.
Hershey's chocolate, milky.
Milky.
Because we don't have chocolate chip.
Yeah, we don't have chocolate chips, but
We don't plan that, so we just
this is
have them.
out of the blue.
It's okay. I can have one of them. I can eat one.
Maybe.
Please.
ขอบคุณครับ
Kakuka.
สองมือ
Put it in like that. Yes, so it will fall.
Kakuka.
Gotta sample it before you do it, right?
Mm.
Is that too big?
That's good. It'll melt all nice inside. Put them in there. Eat yours. Put the rest of the ones inside. Let me crush them.
Now I can stir them.
Stir.
You could start stirring.
There you go.
Why we use these for
Stir
chocolate?
harder.
Let me see. Is it good?
Whoa, looks so slimy.
Well, it's dough.
It's almost like pizza dough.
Yep. Well, we could fill it probably in 2 cups.
Mommy, you think you have one more for a snack for me? You got free for me?
Now let's pour it in.
For what?
So now we're gonna put it in the small.
Cup?
Mm-hmm. Gentle.
Scoop at a time. Okay, there you go. Keep going. Next scoop. You'll be able to do it. Next scoop. It's okay. Do you have to fill it halfway or?
It's too hard for me.
It's okay. Take your time. Your assistant mommy is going to help you.
But I'm insistent.
Person who help
Very
you out.
good, alright? You do it sideways.
Uh-huh. Pay
And the whole
attention.
licking.
I know I don't eat rotten cake.
You don't eat raw cake.
It's fine to eat.
You can. You just have to be careful if it has eggs. This one doesn't, so
This one doesn't have eggs.
Why this one doesn't have any eggs?
we don't need it for this recipe.
Why? Why sometimes bakery?
Sometimes you do.
I think I want to do it. I think I want to do another one again.
You just need a bigger bowl to stir it in.
And sorry I have to have my mouth slipped. Whoa, so big. Okay,
There you go.
that's what. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's almost ready. So what's the next step?
Put it in the oven.
The microwave.
This is a microwave recipe, so we get to see.
Put it in the microwave. Mommy, you
2
got
Right.
minutes in the microwave.
Yeah, 2 minutes in the microwave. You get to,
peanuts. Okay, have some peanuts, please.
well, she's gonna add some nuts into it. You get let her put them inside first. Put them in the.
One cup. Can I stay like this?
My turn. My turn, Mommy.
It's okay. Don't move it if it falls.
Somebody here can't eat the
Peanuts?
no.
Pecans.
What's
no,
pecan?
the
One.
almond. So we
Wait,
can't
almonds.
put it.
Yeah.
A almond.
Put it in. Like almond and chipmunks, you know.
Almond and chips.
Like, no, it's Alvin and a chipmunks.
Alright.
Mommy love cashew nuts. So put it in the microwave. That it will help with that.
Chef Ronan is back! And this mini cake is ready to go.
Good. So, just as a note for the people, if you're doing a half serving, you microwave it for 1 minute. And if you're doing the full serving of the batter that we mentioned, you're going to do 2 minutes in the microwave. But still keep an eye on it, as results may vary.
Bye-bye. See you later. Now it's time for the mini cake.